cosmic secrets revealed. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond imagination.
Imagine waking up one morning and the sun is gone. No sunrise, no warmth, no golden light painting the sky, just an endless, star-filled darkness. What would happen to Earth if the sun suddenly and completely disappeared? This isn't just a hypothetical question, it's a chilling journey into the fragility of our existence. Because the sun is not just a star, it's the powerful engine of all life on Earth. It gives us light, it gives us warmth, it dictates our weather patterns, it provides the energy that fuels our entire ecosystem, and its immense gravity is the only thing keeping our planet locked in a stable, life-sustaining orbit. Without it, everything we know, every system we depend on, would collapse. Literally. The sun is the heart of our solar system. A colossal nuclear furnace burning 93 million miles away. Every second, it converts millions of tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing an unimaginable amount of energy that radiates across space. This energy travels as light and heat, and it takes time to reach us. So if the sun were to vanish right this instant, we wouldn't know it immediately. For 8.5 minutes, we'd continue our day in blissful ignorance. The sky would be blue, the birds would sing, and everything would seem perfectly normal. This is because light and gravity from the sun take about 8.5 minutes to travel across the vast distance to Earth. We'd have a brief, peaceful window where the last rays of sunlight would still be arriving, the last pull of gravity still holding us in place. But then, the countdown would end. Suddenly, and without warning, the sky would fade to black. The moon, which only shines by reflecting sunlight, would become an invisible dark orb. The familiar constellations would blaze with an unnatural clarity, no longer washed out by the sun's glare. The temperature would begin its relentless plunge. In the first hour, the global average temperature would drop by a few degrees. Within a day, it would be freezing, and life, as we know it, would begin to freeze. The consequences would extend far beyond our own planet. Without the sun's powerful gravitational anchor, the entire solar system would be thrown into chaos. Earth, along with Mars, Jupiter, and all the other planets, would no longer follow their predictable orbits. Instead, they would be flung out into the cosmos in a straight line, becoming rogue planets hurtling endlessly through the dark, cold expanse of interstellar space. Our moon would likely remain in orbit around us, a silent, frozen companion on our journey into the unknown. The oceans, the cradle of life, would begin to freeze from the surface down. Within a year, a thick crust of ice, potentially miles deep, would cover the entire planet, entombing the waters below. The atmosphere, growing colder and denser, would eventually liquefy and then freeze, falling to the surface as a blanket of nitrogen snow. On the surface, it would be a world of absolute death. Photosynthesis, the foundation of nearly every food chain on Earth, would cease instantly. All plants would die within weeks. Herbivores would follow, and then the carnivores that prey on them. The intricate web of life would unravel with terrifying speed. Within days, the surface temperature would plummet to below -70 degrees Celsius and eventually settle at a staggering -240 degrees. Our sprawling cities, monuments to human achievement, would become silent, frozen tombs buried under layers of ice and snow. Could humanity survive? The odds are slim. The only hope would be to retreat deep underground or to the bottom of the ocean, close to geothermal vents where Earth's internal heat could provide a sliver of warmth. Small colonies of humans might manage to build subterranean shelters, powered by geothermal or nuclear energy. They could try to grow food using hydroponics under artificial lights, but this would be a desperate temporary existence. Such a life would be a constant struggle for resources in a dark, confined world, delaying the inevitable extinction of our species. The sudden disappearance of the sun reveals a profound truth. It isn't just our source of light and warmth. It is the fundamental reason we exist. Every sunrise is a gift. a daily reminder that we are orbiting not just a star, but the very heart of our survival. It's the architect of our world, the sustainer of all life, and the silent guardian that holds our fragile planet in its steady embrace. So the next time you feel the sun on your face or watch a sunrise paint the horizon with color, take a moment to appreciate it. Remember that without it, we are nothing but frozen shadows drifting in an endless night. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you want to explore more of the incredible wonders and terrifying dangers of our universe, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.